Hey guys, welcome to episode number 4. Today we're going to get the head cylinder put back together, get it installed on the car, get the timing chain done, and then put this into front end surface mode so we can get ready for the next video.
Alright, so we got everything washed and we're ready to start putting this thing back together. The first thing we're going to do is to install these valve seals, and we're going to put a little bit of lube on them. This is assembly goo, and we make sure to put some assembly goo in here. And then we'll just push our valve seal down on it. All right. And then next thing we're going to do is grab our valve. I'm going to put some assembly lube on it. Slide it up through. And grab our spring. Set it on there. All right, once it's in place, we'll open this up. And send everything flying.
We have the head bolted down now, and before we go any further, we're gonna go ahead and do the timing chain. It's over 100,000 miles on this car right now, and I don't think the timing chain's ever been done. We're gonna do the supercharger service, and we're also going to do the water pump. So let's go ahead and get this thing into front end service mode. When you're doing the timing chain, you just want to make sure you line up the marks on the sprocket to the dark colored links on the chain on both the bottom and the top. There's two on the bottom, one on the top. Once you have them lined up, then you know it's in sync. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you tune in next time. We're going to get this thing finished up and get it on the road.